How to chat with players around the world in Raid Shadow Legends. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. In this video, we are gonna learn how you can easily chat with global players, share tips, ask questions, or just hang out with others. First of all, launch open your Raid Shadow Legends game on your device. From the main lobby screen of Raid Shadow Legends, go ahead and tap on the chat icon at the top right corner, and this will take you to your global chat screen. You'll see several tabs like Clan Chat and Global. You can switch between them from the top left of the screen. To see the messages from players worldwide, click on the Global option and tap on the text box at the bottom. Type in your message and hit send. The global chat is public, so make sure to keep it friendly and follow the rules. So there you have it. That is how you can easily chat with players around the world in Raid Shadow Legends. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.